In our childhood, we saw every village, every town, the transcendental knowledge. Any common man could speak about Rama and Mahabharata, Lord Krishna, and the system was still there are, but practically closed now, that in the evening in the village everyone should assemble in a place to hear messages from Mahabharata, Ramayana especially, because these two books can be understood by common man. Not Vedanta philosophy was discussed. So my maternal uncle was in this suburb of Calcutta, so about 10 miles from our house. So sometimes when he used to go there, so in the evening, after taking their meals, by 8 o'clock, they would go to a place, assemble and hear about Rama and Mahabharata, Bhagavad, and they should discuss while coming home, and they would go to bed thinking that memory, so they will sleep also Ramayana and Mahabharata, and dream also Ramayana and Mahabharata. You see, this was the system. Sada tadbhava bhavita. If you think of Krishna 24 hours, then you become fully Krishna conscious, and your life is successful. Don't allow anything. This requires little practice. Abhyasa yoga yuktena chetasananvagamina. I should not allow my mind to go to think of any other subject than Krishna. Now we have got so many books, so whenever you find time, you must find time, there is so much time, so read all these books or chant. But when you are hungry, take prasadam. When you are sleepy, take a nap, not very much, just to refresh. And go on, either chanting the beats or reading the books or talking about Krishna. In this way, always remain in Krishna consciousness. Smartavya satato Vishnu. Krishna consciousness means to remember Vishnu always, 24 hours. Somewhere. Type for Krishna, write for Krishna, go outside for Krishna, Sankirtan party, sell book for Krishna, bring money for Krishna, spend for Krishna, Krishna, that's all. Everything Krishna. This is Krishna consciousness. Satatam kirtantam mam jatantasya dhirabrata. In the Bhagavad Gita you will find tushyanti cha ramanti cha. We require some satisfaction and some enjoyment, because that is our nature. Anandamaya abhyasa. Spirit soul, God is also blissful, and we part and parcel of God, we are also blissful. We want simply ananda, pleasure. That is our nature. But that ananda, pleasure, you cannot enjoy independently. That is not possible. You must enjoy with Krishna. That is called Ras Leela. Krishna and the gopis, they assemble together. Similarly, we are part and parcel, just like part and parcel of big machine. They are assembled, then it works. If the part and parcel are scattered, then it has no meaning. It is simply scrap of iron, that's all. But when they are assembled together, that is meaning. Similarly, we are all part and parcel of Krishna, so we must assemble together. Central Krishna. Central Krishna. So this Krishna consciousness movement is just like in this house we are living, and the next house they are also living. But what is the difference? The difference is here Krishna is center, that's all. Therefore it is temple. And the next door a house. That is the difference between house, ordinary house and temple. And there is no difference. It is also made of bricks and stones and wood. That is also made of bricks and stones. They also live, they also cook, they also eat. Everything is the same, practically. But the difference is there is no Krishna. Here is Krishna. That is the difference. That is Krishna consciousness. So when I walk on the street and go anywhere, I simply think how these nice bungalows, house, but still they are not satisfied. It is for sale. You see, why? There is no Krishna. Apranasya hi deha samandalam lokaranjanam. Just like a body, beautiful body, lying down on the street, dead. Nobody cares. Because the life is not there. The spirit soul is not there. Nobody cares. Similarly, Bhagavad Bhakti Hinasya Jati Japastapakriya. Big nation. You Americans are big nation. But Bhagavad Bhakti, maybe there is no Krishna consciousness. Jati, big nation. Jati means big nation. Bhagavad Bhakti hinasya jati, japa, their activities, tapo, tapasya, they are trying to invent so many nice things scientifically, mechanically, or invented machine, everything. Jati, japas, tapa, kriya, activities, very methodical. On the road, there is light arrangement. Everything is all right. But if it is less Krishna consciousness, then it is, what is that? Aprana sahi deha samandanam lokaranjanam. Just like a dead body, if you decorate. A body, dead body, and you apply pomade and nice dress and scent, then what is the meaning? Lokaranjana. Lokaranjana means you may please some of the people, how you are decorating a dead body. But it has no meaning. It is useless, waste of time. Similarly, very nice arrangement, big nation, politics, everything, minus Krishna consciousness is like that. Apranasya hi devasya mandanam lokaranjanam. Therefore, your young men, young girls, they have become frustrated. In spite of all this arrangement, nice arrangement, there is no comparison of your country's arrangement. I am traveling all over the world, such nice roads, such everything nice. But why they are becoming frustrated and confused? Due to this apranas, there is no life. The life is Krishna consciousness. So if you actually feel for your country, for your community, for your people, just spread this Krishna consciousness. They are dying. You spread this Krishna consciousness, they will come again to life and everything will be actually beautiful.